It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you the difference between Tourpass and Alipay. Okay? And but before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe and click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload content about China importation or Alipay related topic, you get notified and you watch the video, okay? And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer or procurement agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business without using any agent, okay? And lastly but not the least, if you want me to fund your Alipay account, you can reach me at the same time with the same phone number. If you want me to procure your link on 1688, Tahoba or Pindodo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business or Alipay related issue, okay? So let's get started. Now, like I said earlier, I'm going to clarify to you guys the difference between Tourpass and Alipay. The two are not the same, okay? But you can find the service of the two in the same Alipay app, okay? So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to click on your Alipay when you have successfully installed it, okay? So I'm going to click on it right away. Now, the most important, the most credible difference between Tourpass and Alipay is that for Tourpass, you cannot use Tourpass to transfer to another Alipay account. You need to take note of that. So let's say for instance, you have some fund in your Tourpass. Let me quickly click on my Tourpass. My Tourpass here. If I click on that, all right. So you can see my Tourpass here. In my Tourpass balance, I have 585.47 RMB. Now, the fund here can only be used on 1688, Tahoba, or Pindodo. Okay, this fund can be used on 1688, Tahoba, or Pindodo to pay supplier directly. And some other thing you can use it to do, right? Now, when you're talking about transfer from one Alipay to another Alipay account, that is when you make use of your Alipay balance, okay? So this is a Tourpass. So let's quickly go to my Alipay balance, okay? So we have to go back, okay? Now, for you to see your Alipay balance, you have to come here and click on me. You click on that, then at this point here where you see balance, this is where you see your Alipay balance. So if I click on this balance here, I'm going to see the fund I have in this account. Alright guys, so you can see now the advantages you have here is that is unlimited when you are using Alipay balance. Available balance here is 100 RMB. Now, one of the things you can do with this balance is that you can transfer. This simply means that you will be able to transfer to another Alipay account with this money you have here. You can pay your supplier direct with this money you have here. So you can do a lot of things with your Alipay balance, but there are limited things you can do with your Tourpass. So you can see the two services we are actually in Alipay app, but they perform different functions. So the most important one here is your Alipay balance, right here. But Alipay balance funding is quite difficult for most of foreigners. But in my futures video, I will try as much as possible to make a video on how you guys can fund your Alipay balance without using a Chinese bank card. This is very much possible. So guys, these are just the basic difference between Tourpass and Alipay. So, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you want me to fund your Alipay account, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on this video. If you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or Pinduoduo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.